So I'm Petrie. My company is called ZTK Enterprises. We started out with, it was an old beat up, I think gutter maker, 5-inch, and kind of just expanded as we've grown as a company to a point where we were able to purchase, you know, a NewTek 5-inch combo machine, and it's kind of been a game changer for us, really. I've worked a lot with NewTeks. There's minor features that when you use the machine every day, day in and day out, that make your time go a lot quicker. The ability to choose how many spools and the 3 different locations, up to 3 spools or cradles if you want. We did 2 spools and a cradle, and then with those spools we did a transfer rack. It's just very flawless as far as, you know, interchanging the coils and colors and sizes. It's just a lot more efficient, you know, saves a lot of time is money.